All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're at the RAISE Summit 2025 live in San Francisco, and here we have very interesting folks involved in very interesting projects. So I'll be starting with this gentleman here. Can you just introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is 𝗃𝗀𝗀𝗶𝘃𝗲, and I'm a co-developer at SGLang.
SGLang.
Yeah.
Perfect. How about you?
Yeah, I'm one of the creators of this project, SGLang.
Wow, interesting. So everybody heard about the other inference and training frameworks, but SGLang is one of them. Is making a lot of noise lately. And my first question for the team is, how did the project start? So I'll start with you. Can you tell me briefly how it all started for SGLang?
It started as a research paper initially, but then because it's aimed for agree general purposes, we want enterprise users to all use it, so we make it open source. And then the whole community joined to build it. Till today, it has been widely adopted.
Wow. How many years yet?
It's been 2 years, has been.
2 years.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Right. And my second question is, was there anything that you guys are proud of in terms of performance or achievement, especially this year, that is already released in the blog?
Yeah, I think I'm very proud we have very good performance on throughput on GB200, on H100, and we use large-scale PD disaggregation and expert parallelism to achieve it.
Yeah, and you do support GPUs, TPUs, NPUs, AMD as well?
Yeah, sure. Also CPU, GPU, NPU, and TPU. Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. Any idea about the roadmap? Anything you're excited about for 2026?
Yeah, I think I will be excited for the integration for SGLang in RL framework, and also speculative decoding will reduce the SGLang latency. We will push the performance into the next level.
Interesting, interesting. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. This was the team of SGLang. So here in RAISE Summit 2025, and if you see us around, just say hi. Cheers.